Hello everyone and welcome back. Now that daylight savings time has ended, I leave for work before it gets light out and I get back after it's dark. Tonight I got up here and Melissa's truck had a little bit of a problem. I got the truck fixed tonight, and tomorrow I have a rare day where I am home from work, and we're going to have one day at the farmhouse. Good morning, everybody. I'm just out here continuing a project that I started earlier this week. After work I'd come out here with my headlamp and start digging this trench, but once I got a little ways in, the ground was frozen already, so I had to wait for, yesterday was real warm. Today they say it's going to get to 67. And I'm trying to dig this trench over to the house because going out to the workshop I have this Cat 5 cable right here. And it goes from the garage here all the way out to the workshop. And you can see right there where it comes in here. So what I'm trying to do is get internet out here to the workshop. Once you're inside this building, since it's metal, cell phone doesn't work. You're definitely not picking up any Wi-Fi from the house. And I would have to run a second modem out here if I wanted wireless, and then there's all this stuff you got to do to, I don't know if it's a bridge or I don't know, something so your network doesn't crash. All I'm trying to do is get it out here so I can run it like a an Ethernet cord so that I can cable that into the TV or into my laptop for now. And I just want to see if it'll work. If it works, then I will dig a better system in eventually. But for right now, I just wanted to get the line in underground. So I have the option after the ground freezes here to still be able to play around with that. I don't even know if I'll get to it, but I know once the ground freezes, there's no cable going underground. I got the whole cable run now, right along here, underneath there, and I ran it inside the house. Well, I got 2 roof vents installed up there. Hopefully that'll help with the ice buildup that happens in the winter. The main, like this back part, is an addition and the front part of the house is addition. The center part is from 1942 and that part of the house has no roof vents. So I had to keep them low on the roof there because the way the upstairs is framed, that's just on this side of the upstairs wall. So hopefully that'll help. And now I'm going to go inside and have some lunch. Well, I had to run up to Walmart and then to Super One, just getting a few things, not the food part for deer hunting, which is in just a couple days here, but some of the other odds and ends I didn't want to have to pick up when I'm going for my grocery run. You guys can't see it in this light, but right here, when I came back here and opened up the doors, the skunks have been trying to dig down to get underneath the workshop again, but I have it completely blocked off. I went down there with the light and I seen that they didn't even get close to getting in, but I kicked the dirt back over it and packed it down, but they were trying. Well, thanks a lot for watching, everybody. Deer hunting is just 3 days away. I will see you guys on the next video.